All right, today we're looking at Lean Hog Futures, the December contract. We start from the high of September 2014. We anchor from that high, and then we anchor from the low of October 2016. And that swing can be divided into 8 equal increments: 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, or 50% retracement, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So Gann believed that any swing can be divided into 8 equal increments. So division of 1/8 is a big tool for Gann. Now, that gives you price and support resistance. You can see resistance at this one, support at this one, support here. And since this is where we are right now, let's focus on this. 144 bars, that's actually months since we're looking at a monthly chart. So from the high, we count 144 bars or 144 months into low as of July. So maybe in a week or two, we'll be completing that cycle. Now, Gann said you should look for change to start in the month prior to a major cycle. So if you're looking at a 144-month cycle, that's a big cycle, you can often see it actually bottom before the cycle comes due. And sure enough, 73.10 is the 50% retracement. That's the most important Gann retracement. And then if you have the 1 by 1 going up, it's catching the low as well. So 73.32 in the month of June is support. If you move into July, it'd be 73.82 because we're using a half a point for the 1 by 1. So a half a point, this 1 by 1 down, it declines at a rate of half a point per month. This one rises at a rate. You can see it caught this low, it's catching this low. And, even if this turns out to be wrong and lean hogs continue down, you know where your stop loss is. It's got to be just below 73.10, which is a 50% retracement. So you have two support levels. You have the 1 by 1 at 73.32, and then as we move into July, that moves up to 73.82, and then you also have the 50% retracement. So two reasons to look for support here at the 73 area. Now, if you look at time and price together, you say 144 months, high to low. So the time is right for a rally. It sold off into it. That sets up a turn higher. Gann believed that when a market is in balance, which is defined by these major Gann cycles, you get a change in trend. So it actually works on all time frames, daily, weekly, monthly. You can even use it intraday, but this is just a very obvious example on the monthly time frame. So, you don't have to stop here. You can look at other cycles, but I'm just showing you one of the bigger, more obvious cycles for this market. And when you combine it with the price support, you have a time and price setup for a reversal in trend. Does it work every time? No, it doesn't work every time, but it works often enough that you can use it as a trading tool. So I hope this has been helpful. If you find it, you want to learn more about Gann, go to the website, register to the website. You get a few free reports. And if you're really interested, think about a 3-month trial subscription. If you like this sort of report, remember, Lean Hog Futures may not be your market, but the information that I'm providing, the concepts are going to be applied to all markets, not just Lean Hog Futures. So this is just a very good example. And if you don't believe it, hey, mark on your calendar 2 months from now, 3 months from now, to remind yourself to go back and look at Lean Hog Futures. I think they'll be up here somewhere. So there are other tools that would project the high. I'm not going to get into that here. I just wanted to show you a couple of simple ideas. 144-month cycle, the 50% retracement, and the 1 by 1 working together give you a change in trend as we move into July. So if you really like this, I think you can't go wrong by trying the service out for a month or 3 months, because honestly, there are other markets that you probably do care about, and you're going to want to see the Gann charts on them because, here we are, June, July timeframe. This is going to be an interesting summer. I can tell you volatility is going to heat up regardless of which market you're trading. It's going to be an interesting summer.